Lecture 2, Cause and Transmission of Tuberculosis. Namaskar. Welcome back to our Tuberculosis Awareness Series. I am Dr. Rajendra Nanavre, pulmonologist, Mumbai, Maharashtra. And today we are going to talk about something very important. How tuberculosis spread and what causes it. Understanding this will help us to prevent it better. So let's begin. What causes tuberculosis? TB is caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is very strong bacterium. It can survive inside human body for years without causing symptoms. It is known as latent infection. Only when the body's immune system becomes weak, it wakes up and causes disease. So how is TB spread? TB spread through the air. When a person with active TB of the lungs coughs, sneezes, speaks or sings, tiny droplets containing TB bacteria are released into the air. If another person breathes in these droplets, they may get infected. Important to note, you cannot get TB by shaking hands, sharing foods, or drink, touching surfaces, or kissing on the cheeks. TB spread only through air and mainly from the prolonged close contact of a person who is a sputum positive. Example are family members living together, co-worker in close office, passenger in a crowded transport like our local train. These situations are risky if a person has untreated active TB. So let's talk who is at risk. People with weak immune system like HIV/AIDS patients, diabetes that is uncontrolled, cancer patient on chemotherapy, malnourished individual, children and elderly are more vulnerable. Smokers, alcoholics and people living in overcrowded or poor ventilated area are also at a higher risk. Myth versus fact about TB transmission. Myth, fact, TB spread through sharing utensil. False. It spread only through air. You get TB by shaking hands. False. It needs prolonged close airborne exposure. TB patient should be isolated forever. False. After 2 to 3 weeks of treatment, of proper treatment, TB patients usually are no longer infectious or when the symptoms are not there. Closing, So the cause of the TB is a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and it spread through the air, mainly with close and prolonged contact with an active case or a sputum positive case. Armed with this knowledge, we can protect ourselves and our loved one. In our next video, we will talk about the different types of tuberculosis. Please like, share and subscribe to spread awareness. Together, let's break the chain of tuberculosis transmission. TB spread through air, but so can awareness also. Thank you.